Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to buy games with Steam points. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, double check if there's a new update coming, including your Steam. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser. And basically, if you want to buy games with Steam points, unfortunately, you can't use Steam points to buy actual Steam games. Just profile cosmetics through. Though this may be possible in the future, you won't be able to do it right now. So unfortunately for now, it is not possible, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.